Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to subtract in base 20, and base 20 is also known as VIGESIMAL numerical numbers. In base 20, the possible number we have are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A is 10, B 11, C 12, C D 13, E 14, F 15, G 16, H 17, I 18, and J 19. Let's look at this example. We have 1, B, F, I 8 minus D 9, G 6, all in base 20, 20. So we have 8 minus 6 is 2. I is 18. G equals to 16. D equals to 13. B equals to 7. So 18 minus 16 equals to 2. 15 minus 9 is 6. 11 minus 13 cannot. Borrow 1 here. Call it 20 plus 11 is 31. 31 minus 13 is 18. And our 18 is I have I all in base 20. Thank you for watching.